Good morning, students. How are you? Hope you are fine and safe at home. I am your class teacher Monica Sharma from California Public School, Kukhrana. Students, open your pink book Water Animal at page number 6. Recognize the letter Q. First picture of this page, Queen. Q, Queen. What is the beginning sound of queen? Qu. And second picture is quilt. Qu, quilt. What is the beginning sound of quilt? Qu. Color the both pictures. And for homework, open your green book at page number 4. This page titled with letter sound association and color the pictures. Color the pictures that begin with Qu sound. Qu, quill. Qu, queen. Qu, quilt. Second page of green book at page number 16. Hidden pictures. Find and color 3 fish and 3 seahorses. Thank you.